You know what other words are really interesting? Some words that I saw in some comic strips, various comic strips. Squeak, blood, plowing, point, squee. Another word that describes funny noises. In fact, that's how I got inspired to make up funny noises myself. That's what inspired me to make up I-E-I and O-E-O. That's interesting, isn't it? I like funny words and funny noises. I like funny words and funny noises almost as much as I like playing the organ. The organ is my favorite thing in the whole world, by the way, besides sitting in the green forest. Have a forest green day.